RIANSE Dr. William Ruto ni gaigereire omoroberi bw'echinyomba ch'erigori RIANSE asainekire buna nigo chirakonya bakenya abange okwana imeyado hakatar asomusangekana obwobomo bw'echinse nigo Ruto akeborire ekiombe kya United Nations kweneke buna ebirengo by'Obotaka ngo kyanigwa bire imeyorogongo rwa Africa musangerekano oyo nigo oraikomo elio litkoria Alamisi eikiyiga unagotomanya omurikito Deborah Kerubo
abarai ao bense nigo basangerekana litkoria rero imeyomo chiodo hakatar abwasomorai bwense ya Kenya William Ruto ikerana asege ikareki gya kabere gya chakaritkoria rero ukwana sege ikarekio Ruto nigatebe serikali ya Kenya nigo yasirira abakenya gwetera omoroberio omanyakaine buna Hustler Fund abwase goikera rero bilioni 53 chia bwatokirwe guchia sabe Kenya milioni 25 nomo.
We're empowering citizens economically through initiatives like the Financial Inclusion Fund, popularly known as the Hustler Fund. To date, the fund has disbursed Kenya shillings 80 billion, an equivalent of US dollars 615 million, to 26 million Kenyans. It now accounts for more than 9.5 million repeat borrowers, including 5 million individuals who have successfully restored their creditworthiness through consistent repayment, enabling them not only to re-enter the formal credit market, but also access higher borrowing limits.
Igate abagwetera asomoroberio BW'OBOAACHI bw'echinyomba ch'erigori RIANSE nigo chinyomba chiri buchimi 230 chigendererete kwagachwa bwasa abakenya chiri buchimi 340 benyoleire amabaga y'emirimo.
Through the affordable housing program, we are delivering much needed shelter while at the same time creating jobs and fostering inclusion. Today, over 230,000 housing units are under construction nationwide, employing more than 340,000 Kenyans and expanding opportunities for local artisans and small businesses.
Nigo boigamenta goteba buna umubaro bw'abakenya babwate bima ya nyagitari okinire korwa milioni 5 wikemero ngebere na babere ekikene kirebuna ondeta iyo kolino bokoreri bw'obowenia asogo sinywa gwakana.
Through reforms in health, ladies and gentlemen, the number of Kenyans with medical insurance has grown from 8 million in 2023 to 27.2 million today, ensuring that no one is denied health due to inability to pay.
Nonya nabo Ruto nigarorekana gusingerere ngencho yobomo amono morembe koba aroro imeyensengima abwasa bolie kiombe kya UN Koenekia ngo kya inekere birengo by'Obotaka anene mono imeyorogongo rwa Africa.
The United Nations was founded on a holistic vision of delivering global peace and security, human rights and development. These are the three inseparable, indispensable pillars that together sustain global stability and human dignity.
Omusangerekano yote akaritskolia rero nigora ira matukata tase ora ikomo elio litskolia Alamisi chitariki 5 momo tienyoyo. Deborah Kerubo. Omusangerekano yote akaritskolia rero nigora ira matukata tase ora ikomo elio litskolia Alamisi chitariki 5 momo tienyoyo. Deborah Kerubo, Ensoko TV.